Guys, how to fix Windows Update error code 0xC007000D on Windows 11. And to fix this Windows Update error, the first workaround is run Windows Update troubleshoot. Go to settings of your page, type on system, type on troubleshoot, other troubleshooters, and run the Windows Update troubleshooters. Windows Update Troubleshooter is an inbuilt troubleshooter program which not only detect the issue but repair them accordingly. So first workaround is run the Windows Update Troubleshooter on your system. The next workaround is go to run command box and type services.msc to launch services windows on Windows 11 and Windows 10. In services windows, look for Windows Update Services. Right click on it and choose restart. After that, apply double click on it and set a startup type as automatic. Press apply and OK to save the changes and check whether your Windows Update error code is resolved or not. If not, go to the next fixes. Update Windows scan your system. Open command prompt Windows as administrator mode and first execute DISM tool to scan your system with scan health, check health and restore health. Execute all these three commands one by one, followed by enter key on each time. Thereafter, execute SFCS scan now to check any corrupted files in your system and repair them accordingly. Sometimes any corrupted files may be a cause of Windows Update error code in Windows 11 and Windows 10. After that, run some Windows Update components to fix your issues. First, execute these 4 commands. Simply copy this. All these commands will also available in my video description. You may copy from my video description. Simply copy it and paste one by one, followed by enter key on each times. First, stop these services. Thereafter, execute this command. Simply copy it and paste it in command prompt Windows. Thereafter, these 2 commands also execute. Networks related command. Execute one by one, followed by enter key on each times. And after that, restart all services which you have earlier stopped them. Earlier we have stopped it and now start all these Windows Update services component. And after that, restart your system and check whether your error is resolved or not. If not, the next workaround is perform a system restore. To do so, right click on start button, choose run command box and in run command windows, type rmdir to launch system restore windows and click on next. Choose a system restore point. You may choose so more restore points. Choose a restore point from where your computer is in good condition. Choose any one of them. We will choose Windows Update and choose next and confirm your restoration point, and after that choose finish and restart your system.